In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, click on remove and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you ever wanna restore it, I got you. All you need to do is hold your display and wait for all of those options to show. When they do, click on Widgets between Effects and Settings. And instead of scrolling down, click at the top right corner. Then select letter G on the right. Hit Google. Swipe to the left. And when you see Google search bar, tap on Add to Home Screen. Then you can hold it and place it wherever you want to. And when you finished, hit Done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!